Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you a profit update for my Quadency MACD crypto trading bot that I deployed just about 1 month ago. Now, before we get too far into the weeds, if you're not familiar with Quadency, it is an all-in-one crypto trading platform, and more importantly, what the strength of this platform is their crypto trading bots. They offer 15 different crypto trading bot strategies, and you don't actually have to send your money to Quadency. You connect your exchange to the platform via API keys, so your money actually stays on your exchange, and your money is as secure as it can be when being held on an exchange. Now, if you're curious what type of investment is required to get started, you can actually get started for free. And the MACD bot that I deployed about a month ago and will be taking a look at its results is actually available via the free package. But with that being said, I will show you how to upgrade for free to the Pro plan, and you can actually receive that Pro plan for free up to 3 to maybe 6 months depending on which exchange you connect to the platform. And there are some advantages to upgrading to the Pro plan. For instance, back tests on the free plan, you only get 10 a day. With the Pro plan, you get 200 back tests per day. Also, live bots running at the same time. With the free plan, you only get 2. And the Pro plan, you can actually have 20 live bots deployed at the same time. And so in order to upgrade to the Pro plan, all you need to do is simply connect one of the following exchanges to Quadency. For instance, if you connect your Binance exchange via API keys to the Quadency platform, you will receive 3 months free for connecting an existing account. Now, if you don't have a Binance account, you can click on Open and then connect your exchange to Quadency, and you'll get 6 months for free. The same thing applies for Qcoin or OKX. And I do plan on connecting my OKX account to the platform here in the very near future. And so I will receive an additional 3 months free of the Pro plan. So that's enough jaw-jacking. Let's get to the actual results. So just about a month ago, I configured a new MACD crypto trading bot on the Quadency platform, and my parameters were basically, I named it MACD. The exchange I was using was Binance US. The market I am trading is Sol USDT. The starting capital that I gave the bot to work with was 500 USDT. And my strategy settings were a candle time frame of 1 hour, the MACD slow period of 18, MACD fast period of 9, and a MACD signal period of 9 as well. And then I selected the exit condition to be based on indicator confirmation. I could have selected a percentage, but in this case, I'm actually letting the indicator determine when to exit the position. And with that being said, if you missed out on the video where I configured and deployed this bot, first of all, you probably want to shoot that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. But I will drop a link to the configuration video in the link down below, and you can see the details of how or why I configured the bot the way I configured the bot before I deployed it. Now, as you can see, this bot is still live, and so we'll jump over to live mode. And you will see that my current profit on this bot is almost 10%, and the bot was deployed on July 3rd, 2021. And so the bot has been deployed for just under 1 month. And considering the market conditions over the past month, a almost 10% return is acceptable. It's not great. It's not what I would be shooting for, but it is acceptable. And as Bitcoin approaches the $41,000 level for the first time in a few months, we could be looking at a reversal back into a bull market, and at that point I would expect this bot to perform much better. But with that being said, a 10% return in pretty much a down and somewhat sideways moving month is acceptable in my book. You can see that my starting capital was $500. My current capital is $549. So my profit was basically the $49 and thus almost a 10% return. Now, during the 1 month period, the bot has executed 104 trades, and it just recently opened a new position. So if we scroll down, you can see a tiny little green arrow on this candle here, and so it just opened a new position. As you can see, the MACD line in blue crossing above the conversion line in orange would have triggered this new buy signal, and it will actually sell when the blue line or the MACD line crosses down through the orange line, like you see right here where the MACD crosses through the conversion line, and thus the little red arrow up here was where I sold after buying in back here and getting a nice profit off of this run up. And so now the bot has opened a new position based on the fact of we get that cross of the MACD and the conversion line once again. And the bot will sell based on the indicator. Again, I chose indicator in the setup rather than a percentage. So until the MACD line or the blue line crosses back down through the orange line or the conversion line, I will hold that position. And if you look down towards the bottom of the screen, you'll see my current open position is on the long side, and I'm currently up almost 1% on that position since it opened back here on this green candle, which has boosted my return over 10% in that very short time while I was actually talking. So again, this bot's been deployed for just under a month. It's about 3 or 4 days short of being 1 month, and the bot is currently showing a profit of just over 10%. So again, acceptable returns, not great returns. I prefer with my bots to be earning around 1% per day in profit. However, in a bear market or a down and sideways moving market, it's not realistic to expect to get that 1% profit month over month. And at a minimum, I do expect at least a 10% return on my bots. And this bot is currently performing at that minimum level, so I will let it continue to run. And I will also do update videos in the future, so now would be a good time to shoot that subscribe button. And in reality, that pretty much wraps it up. So if you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you have any questions or comments, drop those in the comment section down below. I will drop a link to Quadency in the description down below. And if you use that link and connect one of those exchanges to the platform, you'll get that free pro plan for 3 to 6 months. And in closing, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.